Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Penske-Martin's apparatus. Penske-Martin apparatus is used to find out the flash and fire point of a lubricating oil. So what is flash point and fire point? Flash point is nothing but lowest temperature at which the lubricating oil gives enough vapor so that it will be ignited for a moment, and fire point is the lowest temperature at which lubricating oil gives enough vapor so that it burns continuously for at least 5 seconds when test flame is brought near it. So flash point is also, it is the lowest temperature, and fire point is also the lowest temperature, but here the lubricating oil will be ignited for a second, and here the lubricating oil will be burned for about 5 seconds. So flash point is the lowest temperature where the lubricating oil will give a flash for a moment. Fire point is the lowest temperature at which the lubricating oil will burn continuously at least for 5 seconds. Okay, so this two quantities, flash point and fire point, it will be helpful in knowing its operating temperatures. Flash point and fire point should be always higher than the operating temperature of the machine, or else we can say that the operating temperature must be lower as compared with that of the flash and fire point, so that it will help to safeguard against the risk of fire. Fire point in most of the cases is higher than flash point by about 5 to 40 degrees centigrade. This is a Penske-Martin's apparatus. It will look like this, and this is the diagram. Let us explain one by one. Construction part, it contains an oil cup. Oil cup is made up of brass, which is a 5 centimeter deep and 5.5 centimeter diameter. The lid has 4 openings. One is for stirrer, second is for passage of air, third is for the thermometer, and fourth is for introducing the flame. Okay, now this is a stirrer. Stirrer is provided with 2 blades. This is the shutter control. The shutter control is provided at the top of the cup, and by moving this shutter control, the lid here, this lid, this will open up and the flame will be introduced inside this oil cup. Okay, here is it. There is a pellet burner which introduces the flame to the burner, and this burner will introduce the test flame into the oil cup. Okay, this is the air bath, so that there is no heat losses. This is a flame exposure device. As I explained, this is, we call it as pilot burner and flame exposure device. This pilot burner will introduce flame, tiny flame, and this burner, this will get burned, and this flame will be introduced inside this, and this will be controlled with the help of this shutter control. The test flame will be lighted automatically with the help of the pilot burner. Once the shutter control is open, this will introduce flame into this opening where there will be vapors of this lubricant which will get burned. Now let us discuss the working. The oil cup is filled with oil sample up to the leveling mark. Okay, this is the oil level. There is a mark there. It is then heated with the air bath. By using the air bath, we heat it. The thermometer in the sample will read the temperature. This is the thermometer that will give the temperature of the oil. Now stirring will be done. At every degree centigrade rise of temperature, this test flame will be introduced at the opening. Okay, and we'll check that whether it is getting it is giving any flame or it is burning or not. Okay, So for a moment it is introduced, and we will check at every degree centigrade rising temperature, and there will be a temperature that is a minimum temperature where this will introduce a momentary flash. We'll note out the temperature, and that temperature is nothing but the flash point. The temperature at which it gives a momentary flash is nothing but the flash point. The temperature will be noted with the help of the thermometer. So at every degree centigrade, we have to introduce the flame. We will be opening this with the help of the shutter control. We will be opening and closing, and we will be introducing flame for a second, and we will be checking that whether that is giving a momentary flash or not. At the lowest temperature at which it gives a momentary flash is nothing but the flash point. And the procedure will be continued at around 5 to 40 degrees. It may be above 5 degrees centigrade, it may be about 20 degrees centigrade, or about 40 degrees centigrade difference it can be. So above that, there will be a point at which the oil vapor catches fire and it will burn for about 5 seconds. That temperature will be noted with the help of thermometer, and it will be called as fire point. So the temperature at which it gives a momentary flash is nothing but flash point, and the temperature at which the oil vapor continuously catches the fire and burns for 5 seconds is nothing but its fire point. So this is the equipment. We can see all the parts. This is the stirrer. We have options for temperatures and all. This is the shutter control by which we open the system and we introduce the pilot test flame with the help of the pilot. That's all for today. Thank you.